everyone, and welcome to Funday Monday, and I hope you have had a great weekend and are ready for the week ahead. Today I have decided to do some of my stirrers. So what I did was I printed these out on my 3D printer and I molded them with my silicone, and I'm going to just decorate them and pour some with resin, because when we were in a premiere on, I think it was Friday night, I suggested that I do this, and there was a couple of people that said yes, let's see what they look like in resin. So that is what I'm doing. So while I am doing this, I will be chatting about what I did last week and over the weekend. What I have done is I've taken out some charms, some crushed mirror glass, a few flowers, and these are my little keys. They're also little charms. And then I have divided up some resin. This is my Krystal 6 resin, which is a diamond top coat. So I thought that would go really well with the stirrers, because I'm hoping that because it's so thin, it will cure nicely and it will be nice and hard. So that is what I have decided to do. So first of all, I'm going to put some of my gold leaf and my silver leaf in, and I will stir it around, and then I will get busy making my stirrers. So this week we had Grandparents' Day at Layla's school, and that's in the prep, and they did their concert, which they're going to be doing next week for parents and family and friends and that sort of thing, for 3 nights in a row. So the grandparents were lucky enough to see it first. So it was such a sweet play. It was Finding Neverland. Layla is only in grade 4, so they don't play the major parts. It's the grade 7s that play the major parts in the plays, because obviously it's their last year and then they go through to high school, so they play the major parts. But all the other grades do have extras parts, and Layla was a mermaid, so they were dressed in little mermaid tails, and then they all do a song, and it really was such a sweet play. The music was good, everything was just, it was lovely. It really was lovely. So that is what we did on Friday. During the week there was nothing really going on, nothing to write home about or anything like that. Obviously work, and then Friday night was our, oh, I think I got a bit close to the resin there. I am going to get a few bubbles because I stirred in the gold flakes. Yes, Friday night was a premiere, and it was a collaboration, which was really cool. It was a bloom collaboration. Not that I am the best bloom maker. I am definitely not the best bloom maker. And it was okay, but it was lovely to see everybody else's blooms. I get envious of most of the people that do their blooms because they are absolutely gorgeous. But that was fun. That took me right up until nearly midnight. But it really was a good collaboration. And Saturday I did try and do some catching. Well, I actually caught up on everybody's videos from the collab, the ones that I'd missed in the early afternoon of Friday, because it was a bit of a chaotic day with the concert and everything that I had to get done. And then on Saturday we had a family day. We normally have a family day on a Saturday, even though we all live on the same property. We normally have something going on a Saturday. So we had our Potjie. Now it's called a Potjie, and it's actually like a cauldron. I was trying to explain it to the people yesterday. Was it yesterday or no, not yesterday. I'm getting my days all confused here. I always do. It was either Friday, Saturday, or yesterday. I can't remember. When I was explaining what a Potjie was. And it's basically a cast iron cauldron type of pot. So it has its 3 legs and it's got the lid. And then we make almost like a casserole type stew in it. And then it cooks over the fire. And then we have it with rice, and we sometimes do a beer bread. And so that's what we did on Saturday. And then yesterday, all I really did was, I put this in the wrong way, hold on. All I really did was catch up on crafting, because Friday was busy and Saturday was busy. So on Sunday, yesterday, I just basically caught up with my crafting and had more of a relaxing day than Friday and Saturday. So here I'm just putting in these flowers are from my garden, and so are the little fern leaves. And I better make sure that these handmade say handmade on both sides. Yes, they do. Right. So that's that one done. Then I'm going to put some silver. Now this silver leaf is weird. It doesn't like to, it comes out in big chunks, and it doesn't like to break up. So I'm going to have big chunks. Right, Marshall's barking. I will pause this and I will be back. Right, I'm back. Mr. Marshall complaining. Right, so this, like I was saying, this is very weird silver leaf. It's not the nicest silver leaf. It doesn't break up very nicely. So unfortunately I have to have chunks. So I'll just try and squish it down. Okay, these are a lot thinner. So, oh dear, we've got a leak. Don't leak. Come on. And once they start leaking, it's so difficult to stop them. I'll try and sort that out just now. And I've also got to get this. I've got to get these onto the heat mat, because I've obviously got to have these done before, so that I can edit and get the video up as usual. Monday is always a bit of a rush with my video because it's alive and I need to film and edit and upload all in a few hours. I'm taking that out. I'm going to chuck it in there because that one is taking up space and it's displacing the resin. I'm going to turn it that way. Okay, right, I'm going to do the rest and I will fast forward them so that you can see what I'm doing, but obviously I don't like these videos to be too long, so I will fast forward through this, play a little bit of music for you while I do the last two.
Hey there, welcome to my space where glitter always finds its place. Resin, flowing colors bright, casting trays that catch the light. Stickers popping, sparkle flying. Every day I'm multiplying.
Right, I will babysit those a little bit. I'll give them maybe 20 minutes and then I will put them on the heat mat for a couple of hours. And then I shall be back. Right, these have been on for 4 hours. So they are still soft, but they should be fine to take out. And then I will obviously have to leave them to cure flat so that I can use them. Oh, I think that's come out really nicely. I will lay them nicely so that they stay flat. But if they're a little bit bent, I don't think it's a major train smash. Right, well, I'm going to take them all out. And then I will show you what they look like. I don't like taking stuff out when they're still this bendy, because my luck, I bend things out of shape. I mean, they literally even bend sideways. I'm hoping they're going to work because they've molded really nicely. So hopefully they are going to be nice stirring sticks. And I will pop up some photos as well so that you can see them more up close and personal. But I think those are really cool. So that was just the plain one with the silver foil. This was the one with the locks and the keys and the little bit of glitter. And then this is the flower with the butterflies and the handmade sign. The handmade sign is actually discolored. That's quite weird, but that looks pretty. These ones I can use either way. That one obviously is supposed to be that way. And then this is the mirror glass. That looks cool. So it's black on the one side and then the mirror glass on the other side. And then this is the gold foil. So those are them. I'm going to let them cure flat so that they keep their shape. Right guys, so thank you for joining me on my Funday Monday. I hope you enjoyed me making my little stirring sticks. And again, as usual, thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you for the likes and the comments. It really means a lot to me. And until next time, have a great one.